As soon as a host is live in a Mighty network, all members are notified. You can see that this member got the notification that I am live in Trailheads from the moment I went live. Members can then either click on the notification here or click at the live stream banner that takes up nearly half the screen, making it incredibly clear that there's a live stream going on. They can also click on this join live stream button. As soon as they do so, they will be brought into the live stream. At the very bottom of the screen, they can turn on or off the video, and they can go ahead and say hi in the chat. They can check out all the other participants that are in that live stream and reach out to the ones that they find extra awesome by viewing their profile, and then, as we talked about before, showing similarities and seeing the things they have in common with that person. That's all it takes to attend a live stream as a member. It's easy, it's fun, and it's a great way for your members to meet each other and see you as a host.